Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a very special bag that has been all over social media nowadays. And this bag is one of the premium bags that's going to be in the store soon, and it's now open for order. So if you know what I'm talking about, this is the Go-14. And I will tell you more while we are unboxing this video, but now let's get started with the unboxing. If you're new to the channel, my name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and you have to subscribe to my channel because I'd like you to be updated with all the latest and the hottest collection with Louis Vuitton. And in the future, I'm going to do other brands too, but for now, it's just Louis Vuitton because it's exhausting to research for other brands. But if you are into Louis Vuitton products, luxury brands in general, my vlog here and there, just do not forget to subscribe so you can help me grow this channel and I could reach more people like you who loves fashion. So let's start this unboxing video. This is my colleague Rashid helping me unbox this beautiful bag. Currently we only have this color that we are unboxing. He is struggling a little bit because I tie a ribbon too tight. Okay, so when you receive it, it's going to be in this box. Beautiful. Of course, comes with a dust bag. This is the color black, and it comes in all different colors. Comes in brown, white, but let me just show you how beautiful it is. This is in a very nice texture of a malutage. Malutage is something that you will see inside our trunks. This beautiful diamond shaped puffiness is actually very unique that you won't usually see with Louis Vuitton. So it's like twist, you have to twist that lock, but unlike the twist, the lock has a special mechanism inside that that is also with a magnet. So this is how it looks like inside. It has that extra zip, and yeah, you also have a free mirror inside because every girl needs a mirror. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It comes with this beautiful chain and also that leather pad. And that leather pad, you can actually detach it and attach it to the D-ring. He tried to remove it, but I have to cut that off. We're still not very used to removing this new bag because it's very, very new. For now, I'm going to show you, I have a video of the white with black. This is also very gorgeous, something unique color, but honestly, my favorite is the brown. The brown looks very vintage, and I've never seen that color with Louis Vuitton before. Almost 6 years that I've been working with them. So the one I showed you is the MM size. So MM size is the middle size. We have GM size and the Pico. I'm going to show you a picture of a video of a Pico later. But for now, I would like to show you how it looks like when it's worn as a shoulder carry. This is how it looks like. I am 5 feet tall, so it just falls right into my hips, and I really find it a little bit bulky for me, but some girls like bulky bags, and this is how it looks like when I turn it into a crossbody bag. As a crossbody bag, it's a little bit too long for me, for my height. I actually increase it a little bit. I actually pulled that top part, so but still it falls under my hips, and yeah, it's kind of awkward. So with my height, that is 5 feet, this shoulder carry is the best option to wear it. Now I would just like to show you what fits inside. I took Braza wallet. I know it's a men's wallet, but that's the closest wallet to me, so we took that one. Good news, you can put your long wallet inside iPhone, two iPhones, one Pro Max and one Pro, and yeah, some mint and lipstick, and it's just perfect. You see, a little bit cramped, but hey, at least you can put your essentials inside. I cannot show you all the colors, but I can show you the smaller one. Now let me show you a video of the small one. The small one is called Pico GO-14, GO-14, sorry. And to be honest with you, this is my favorite size because it's just so cute and Gen Z, I mean young, and yeah, it's easy to wear. You can wear it as a crossbody and a shoulder carry. It's a party bag. The small one is never meant to be a day-to-day bag because the space inside is just very small. I don't have the physical stock for a small one, so I don't know what fits inside, but definitely an iPhone Pro Max couldn't fit inside. Only iPhone mini can fit perfectly, that you don't have to struggle, because I've seen it once in the store. And I would like to also show you a technique on how are you going to make this strap shorter, because as I say, the strap of the black one that I tried is too long. So this is another technique that you can use to make the chain shorter. And also in this video you will see, I mean the video of the white bag, you will see that the handle is attached together with the D-ring and not on top of the chain. So that's how it will look like. Okay, prices. Let's just stick with the normal leather right now. So we have 3 sizes. The GO-14mm is 9,650 as I'm recording this video, because this hasn't been launched yet. 9,650. The GM, which is a big one, which is I think not going to be as popular as the other 2 sizes, is 10,400 Singapore dollars, and the Pico GO-14 is 6,150. If you are going to ask for my opinion, I would go for Pico just for fun because it's really cute, but the MM is more practical and useful. The GM, I haven't seen it in person, but I would assume that that is a little too big for, especially for Asian height. And I can foresee this as a very premium bag from Louis Vuitton. And for people who likes quiet luxury and elegance, this is the perfect bag for you. The price is more premium, the material is more premium, the style is very versatile. You can use it as a handbag, crossbody, shoulder carry, and a lot more. So I love this bag personally, especially the other colors. I don't like the black, I like the white or the brown, but yeah, I would recommend this to people who are, yeah, quiet luxury and doesn't want to show off the monogram, or doesn't want to tell everybody and prove that they're wearing Louis Vuitton. This is the perfect one for you. And yeah, tell me how you like this bag. I would like to know. I'm very curious. So comment down below what you think about this bag. And for now, I'm going to say goodbye because I need to sleep. My eyes are really sleepy. I just want to get this video done and for you to be updated. And that's all. And I would like to see you again on my next video. Bye.